We got a 2019 Forester here. We're going to replace the remote key fob battery.
So the first thing we're going to do with the key fob is flip it over, and we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom here. So there's this silver button here we can press with our thumb, and then we can pull the emergency key out the bottom. All right. So if you didn't know there was a key down here, this opens your driver door if the remote doesn't work. So we're going to turn it over like this. We got a couple slots here. We got one slot for the emergency key, and we got another slot we're going to use to open this remote up. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and stick the screwdriver in right here, this slot here, this real shallow slot. So kind of right in the middle. And we're going to twist this guy clockwise, counterclockwise, doesn't matter. But when you twist it, it takes the back cover and pops it right up. Now we're going to hold the remote like this because we don't want everything falling out, and the buttons will fall out and everything like that. So we're going to hold on to everything like this, get our flathead screwdriver, and then pry the battery out from the bottom right here. Okay. I get a new battery, and I'll show you what size the battery is. Here's our new battery, and you can see the size is CR2032 with the positive sign facing towards us. We're going to stick it in the top of the remote first, then push it down in like that. Make sure it's clicked in there. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have the size there, and the link taken to Amazon. If you want to just buy one on Amazon real quick, there'll be a link there. So just get the back pad and stick it on the back and just snap it together. Okay, it'll click and pop like that. You can get the emergency key, and if it goes in and locks in, you're done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and drop me a comment.